The promise of automation.
Workflow automation tools are designed to save time, reduce errors, and boost efficiency. From scheduling meetings to sorting emails, automating repetitive tasks sounds like an obvious win. But is moving everything to automation truly better for you or your team? Let's dig deeper into the realities behind the automation hype.
Setup time and complexity.
Automation isn't always plug and play. Setting up workflow automations can involve steep learning curves, complicated software, and lots of trial and error. Sometimes, the effort spent designing and maintaining an automation outweighs the time saved, especially for simple tasks or ones that change often.
Loss of flexibility and human judgment.
Automation works well for clear, repetitive actions. However, many workflows need adaptability or personal judgment, things machines can't easily replicate. Automated systems might struggle with exceptions, nuances, or creative decisions, leading to mistakes humans would catch naturally.
Hidden maintenance costs.
Automations can break due to software updates, changes in platforms, or shifting business needs. Fixing these issues can require specialized skills or time-consuming troubleshooting. Over time, the hidden costs of maintaining complex automations can eat into the benefits they promised.
When to use automation wisely.
The best results come from automating repetitive high-volume tasks after considering potential pitfalls. Start small, monitor outcomes, and always keep a manual backup for mission-critical tasks. Remember, smart automation should add value without sacrificing flexibility, human insight, or causing more work in the long run.